Hello my fellow traders, this is Martin Jensen from Trade It Simple. Last week we talked about whether the recent technical price action on US dollar still supports a bullish view. So let's take a look on what happened. Right after the non-farm payrolls reading on Friday, the US dollar index showed a false breakout of the important 1205 level. It has now returned in the familiar range, and yesterday it bounced off the support at 1198 once more. If last week we discussed whether the price action should just flag or a triple top, the prolonged period of consolidation now suggests that we are looking at a simple box range. The box range, similarly as symmetrical triangles, don't have any direction bias. This means the probability of a downside break is equally likely to the probability of an upside break. Again, that is only from the technical side of view. I still believe we could be seeing the first rate hike in September, so even if we see a downside break, I would be very reluctant to enter any shorts here. However, in case of a downside break, the box range would provide us with measured downside target, which is 1191. And this is the level where we should be looking for buying opportunities, as it coincides nicely with possible inflection with the rising trend line. For an upside break, the plan is still the same. A daily close above 1206 would work as a confirmation that the uptrend is resuming. Only we have to measure our target differently, as it's not a flag anymore, but a box range. So the possible targets are 1209 and 1212. The dollar weakness has helped precious metals to form a pullback as well. Yesterday, gold made the upside break from the symmetrical triangle formation and already tested it as the new support. So that opens up a way towards the breakout targets at 1122 and 1137. Even a more interesting setup has appeared on silver. It seems that the price has broken the neckline of a double bottom formation and at the same time the medium-term falling trendline resistance, so potentially we could get as high as 1645, where it's facing a longer-term falling trendline resistance. Alright, that's it for me today. I would just like to remind you we have launched the Trade It Simple online school. You can check it out in the link below. And don't forget, if you purchase our course till September the 1st, you automatically enter a giveaway for a chance to win 1 year of our Signal service subscription. As always, leave your comments below and I wish you a great rest of the week.